Is up, guys. We are back and we are ready to go. It is ultimate tropical North Queensland up here. We're at Mission Beach. We checked it out this morning.
Yeah, we had a few days in Mission Beach, but it was absolutely bucketing down rain, so we couldn't really do much. But today's the first day that the sun is finally out again. So we did sunrise at Mission Beach, then headed over to Bingle Bay, and now we're at Eddy Bay because we heard that the cassowaries are quite frequent here.
So we're on the hunt.
We could hear them last night in our caravan park.
Well, we think we could.
Well, it was the strangest bird sounds I've ever heard, so we're thinking it was probably them.
It sounded like a screaming woman. That's what it sounded like.
Maybe it was then.
No, it was a bird, it was a bird.
We're hoping that we'll spot one. It's not really looking in our favour. We haven't seen any sign of them anywhere, but if we spot one, we're going to reward ourselves with some hot chips.
I saw this old bloke eating some chips and he was just packing the salt on. I was like, can we please get some chips?
They look so good. And then I guess if we don't see one, we'll make ourselves feel better with some hot chips.
So either we're going to get some chips. So we're going to go do this whole Eddy Bay strip here and we're going to be full touristing and try and find a bloody cassowary. So let's go, eh? I think I want chips more than the cassowary. Guys, we are on the trail. Cassowary footprints. We must be getting close, eh?
Either that or a really weird mutant dog.
That is definitely a cassowary footprint, eh? I reckon we're close.
I didn't think they were that big.
We are on. We're onto it, mate. Well, guys, that's as close as we're going to get to a cassowary. Not successful, but
at least we get some chips.
We're still not back to the car yet, so there might be one on the way back.
I think that's very wishful thinking, mate.
I think that's as close as we're going to get. But I reckon some hot chips sound pretty good now.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, just as we're about to give up, oh my god, there's a cassowary right there.
I did not think they were that big. I thought they
were is massive. Holy crap. We've got the wrong lens on as well. We'll change the lens. Oh man, this is something I wanted to see so badly. And we're just saying, oh my god, I wanted to photograph one so badly and it hasn't happened. And then it just pops up.
Okay, quick, change the lens.
I'm so excited. Holy crap, those chips are massive.
This is the best day ever.
Look how big the chips are.
Like bigger than my head.
Guys, what a successful day.
And it's not even...
Look at the size. I can't get over the chips.
Not even lunchtime. This is going to be so hot.
We saw the cassowary. Everyone went nuts. It was like paparazzi was chasing the cassowary, eh? But great success.
Great morning.
Oh, that was the one thing. I don't normally want to photograph something so badly, but that was the one thing I wanted to photograph and we got it. Stoked. All right, we're going to go on a chip coma now. And where are we heading?
We are heading towards Mila Mila. And we're going to check out, there's so many waterfalls to see, but we're going to head there now. Awesome.
All right, let's go, eh? Oh mate, the Troopy just got a workout. Those hills were massive.
Yeah, there were quite a few.
Cars up her ass and stuff. But it's something you get used to with the Troopy, I guess.
The whole drive up here was just insane scenery though.
Oh mate,
we literally just said wow about 20 times on the drive up.
It's crazy. I now understand why everybody flocks to this side of the country or this top end of the country at this time of the year, because the weather's amazing.
Yeah, it's so good.
There's not really that much humidity now that I think about it. And it's just spectacular. Hey, our stomachs are all full. Chips are gone. That was a lot of chips.
I stopped eating as soon as I was full, but you just had to punish yourself for some reason.
Yeah, don't let anything go to waste. But yeah, anyway, we're at this Mila Mila, is that what it's called?
Mila Falls. Yeah, so we're going to do the whole waterfall circuit today. There's 3 that we're going to check out, but I think they're all just basically a few steps down and that's about it. So no,
I'm not going to work those chips off.
No hiking involved today. was awesome.
Yeah, those were the best looking waterfalls I've ever seen.
Was it that, or was it just because you didn't have to hike down to them?
Pretty easy to get to.
Yeah.
Nah, that first one, Milla. I'm so bad at it. Milla, that first waterfall we went to, that was spectacular.
It was just like so perfectly placed in the middle of, I don't know.
You can see why it's the most popular one.
Yeah.
It was just perfect. I reckon today has been a bloody successful day.
Yeah, it was a good one.
We've seen the old Cassowary. We've seen the waterfalls, easy to get to. It's just bloody brilliant.
Got your chippies.
The landscapes are just spectacular.
Yes.
The weather's bloody mint. I can just keep going on and on.
So
yeah.
I think we're just going to spend the night at the caravan park in town here. There's not many free ones around, but it's to be expected with so much to see and do around here. But it's nice and affordable anyway. So we'll see you in the morning.
See you later. Good morning. We are testing out the spotlights this morning. We wanted to get up nice and early just to see how the spotties go. Nah, I'm joking. We're off on a sunrise hike, guys. We're going to.
Still too dark.
You
to
probably
even see you in the camera.
Probably can't even see me. But yeah, it's looking wicked. So Megan,
Good morning.
what's
Can't
going on?
even see the camera. The torch is like blinding me.
We are in the middle of nowhere right now, eh?
We are not. It's a national park. It's a marked park. We're all good. Just a tiny bit frightened of Cassowary.
They've got a sign saying there's a recent spotting.
And they can cause serious injury and stuff.
And they it's the time of the year that they're more aggressive, so we're a bit scared.
We saw like 4 wild pigs
Yeah.
on the road on the way up here, but
So we got wild cassowaries and wild pigs to deal with.
I think it looks like we're going to have a really nice sunrise.
Yep.
So hopefully we
going,
make it there in time, and we will see you at the top.
It's a 5-kilometre hike, so let's see how we go.
We need a pumper, don't we?
Yep. Well guys, we made it and it is insane. Have a look where I'm standing. Check this out. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! This is living, baby. Have a look at this rock down there. It is insane and completely worth the hike up. Megan, how you feeling?
Terrified.
She's terrified, she said. She's just trying to get a nice photo. Found the spot, she reckons. But holy moly, man. Have a look at the bloody view, baby. And we got the whole place to ourselves. We're just gonna sit back and take it all in. And then we got to hike 5.6 kilometers back. But it's all worth it. Can't believe it, mate. Holy shit, guys, that massive python right there was literally near my foot. My whole body has goosebumps. Holy crap, that's the first time we've been that close to a snake, eh?
Especially one that big.
That was massive.
This place is terrifying.
That is massive, guys. Holy crap.
Is he gone?
Oh my god.
Is there another way around?
Nah, I think he's gone into a big hole. Far out. Oh my lord. He's gone. He's just, this massive python is just gone. That was massive. How you feeling, Megan?
Not too bad.
We're calming down now.
Calm down. I think he was more scared of us than
I
we
think
were of him. But
when I seen it right near my foot, I think I even touched it. I reckon I stepped on it. But I did what everyone says. I didn't panic. I was like to Megan,
I panicked.
stay still. And Megan's running away. But I just stayed there, and I was actually in shock really of how big it was. Because that's the first time that's ever happened, eh?
Wait, where are we going?
Oh, we're getting lost. This way.
This way.
Oh, that way.
That way.
No, I can see the arrow up there.
Oh, that arrow is to go down that way.
Yep, sorry, we're getting lost. But yeah, how cool is that, eh? That was, I don't even know if it was a python. I don't know what it is. But we definitely saw a sign saying that the biggest snakes are found around here, so that was awesome. And yes, the waterfall was awesome as well. Like I said, we got a 5.6 kilometre walk back, and there are some massive hills.
And let's just hope we don't get attacked by a cassowary now.
Yeah, hopefully no road cassowaries. So we'll see you at the car. Alrighty, we made it back alive. No cassowaries going rogue.
No
That
more
was
snakes.
That was hard walk back. Eh?
Yeah, usually I feel like whenever you do a hike or even a drive, it always feels faster on the way back, but that felt longer. I think it's just because we're absolutely starving though. We didn't even have coffee.
No food.
Didn't even have coffee before we left.
We had a banana each.
A banana, yeah.
And it was definitely not enough. I think we burnt 700 calories each. Or
Yeah.
Megan, probably me more. But we, actually this is perfect, eh? We're going to pull over, we're going to cook some breakfast, and tonight we have got another bucket list item.
Yeah,
Hey?
it's been something that's been on my list since before we even left.
Yep.
And I'm super excited.
It's going to be a date night, and it's going to be wicked. I can't wait. The gates open at 6:30, so we'll leave you guessing for a little bit. Breakfast time, let's go.
Yes, starving.
Oh yeah, you read that right. We're at the drive-ins, baby.
Haven't gone to the movies in ages. I'm so excited. I think we're very early though. I don't even know if we're gonna get in.
Oh yeah, actually, it doesn't start till 6:30.
Yeah, so what?
But I'm gonna. Who cares? We're going in. We're going in, mate. The Troopy's going in. We got our movie snacks, and they do dinner here as well. So they do hamburgers. What else do they do?
Hot dogs.
Yeah, milkshakes.
Milkshakes.
I'm gonna get a milkshake.
All the retro stuff.
Hopefully the Troopy reverses up nicely.
Yeah, I think we'll have to.
Oh yeah, you can camp here. We're camping here.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. That's the whole point. So you
Yeah.
pay, watch your movie, 2 movies actually,
Yeah.
and then you can camp here for the price of the movie. So
It's gonna be killer.
I'm so excited.
I can see the screen from here. Let's just drive up and say g'day or something.
Okay.
Alright, we're going in, guys. Man, how good's this? Look how they got like the old school speakers there for each car. Look at the old school screen. This is wicked.
So cool.
We're in the 70s, mate. There's even a Volkswagen van over there. Now we've got to pick a spot because we're going to be pretty high.
Yeah, I feel like we should definitely go close to the
We're going to be
back.
in the penthouse, mate.
But then we're also going to need, hopefully these speaker things work because I don't think our radio works.
Yeah, we don't have an area on our radio, but I think it works. We'll be alright. Alright, let's go pay at the cafe, eh? That's what it said, I think.
Yeah.
How's this for date night with the Troopy, mate? This is brilliant. Loving it. Even the little speakers are working as well. It's so old school. It's gonna be a good bloody night, guys. What a bloody night. Hey.
How good was that?
Oh, it was wicked.
Even though we didn't even stay awake till the second movie, it was still good.
It's chilly this morning. It's chilly this morning. We're off to the markets, eh?
Yeah.
Cairns markets. Apparently there's a wicked breakfast place there. So, it's another one off the bucket list. So many bucket list ticks, eh?
Yeah.
But yes, if you're coming, where are we? What was the place called? Marieba. 300 days of sunshine, they say. If you're coming to Marieba, definitely go to that drive-in movies. That is amazing.
It only runs on Friday and Saturday nights.
Yeah. And it was cheap.
Worth it.
The food is so cheap. It was $12 for a Works burger, chips, can of drink, at $12 each. That was insane.
Mm-hmm.
That was cheap. So 100% yes from me. What about you?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, we're off to the markets.
Let's go.
Check out me coconuts, mate. This is why we came to the markets, to get these coconut things. What is it? It's yogurt, coconut yogurt.
Coconut yogurt and shredded coconut, and
get a load of it.
He like hold it and cracked it in front of us.
Yeah, he cut it in front of us. It was sick. But we're gonna eat this, and then we're actually gonna go back in there because like the fruit and veggie in there is amazing.
Yeah, I wish that I had come up with the whole meal plan because it looks so good in there.
It looks amazing. Pineapples everywhere. Oh shit. I think it's time to put the camera away.
Okay.
And we're gonna eat our breakfast. It is amazing. We've got goosebumps even talking about it.